I hope that you are doing great today. If you don't know me, my name is Areli and today I'm gonna share with you a swimwear haul. Yes, I know that with the situation that it's been going around, we are all encouraged to stay at home, and believe me, it's hard. I know we had a beach vacation planned and already paid for like the Easter weekend and stuff, and that's why I had so many swimwear, but obviously that got canceled. So now I'm just like hoping that this is over soon and that everybody makes it out okay, so we can go on with our lives and I can go to the beach and wear all of these. But yeah, hopefully this will brighten up your day and give you a little bit of hope, so whenever this is over you can go and head to the beach as well. So yeah, I'm gonna share with you all of this swimwear that I prepared for my vacation that is not happening anymore. But let's get started. So the first set that I'm gonna share with you, it's what I call my tanning set, because it's the one that is gonna prevent me from getting tan lines as much as possible. So usually when I buy swimwear, I do like to buy sets that are like the same print or color top and bottom, but I also like to mix and match, and I like to purchase things that I can wear with other swim sets that I already have, so I can mix them. So this particular one, I bought it separately, and actually it's cheaper if you buy them separately than if you buy a set together. But yeah, this is the first one. So that's the top, and it's so cute. This is like strapless, so it's not gonna leave any tan lines on your shoulders, and the part on the back is kind of thin, so it's good for like tanning. This is kind of like a rainbow colors, and it looks so happy. It's got lots of red, which I like. I love red in swimwear. So I am going to pair it with this bottom. I bought this separately, but they go so well together. You can see it. It's like the same exact tone of red as the top. And yeah, I bought them separately, and this is my tanning swimsuit and I love it. The next one I'm gonna show you is actually a set. So this is same print, top and bottom. The top is this one, and it's so cute. It's also strapless, and it has this like ruffle kind of design on the top and on the bottom of this one, and also on the bottom here you have the same ruffle design on the top. But I love the color of this one. It's like an orange. I think it's very flattering for most skin types, and it looks like so happy. It's got flowers and it's got white, so you can wear them separately, like this one with like a white bottom or a black one, as well as this one. And talking about that, I am gonna wear this one as a set, but also I have this white top that I think is gonna go very pretty with this one as well. This white top, I got it at H&M last season. It was on like sale. I paid like $3 for it because it was like at the end of the summer, and it's so pretty. It's just like plain white, and it's got this gold things on each one of the gatherings of fabric, if you may. And I actually got it with this gold bottom because I thought it would go with the gold rings in this one. So I got it with this gold bottom, and this one it was like $3 as well. And this one you can wear it with so many other different things on top. So it's gonna be very interesting to mix and match with this one as well. Next one I'm gonna show you is this orange one. This is so pretty. One of the things I like about this is that it has this little details hanging from here and on the strings. Except for those, but this one is so pretty. I love the color, and the fabric is like knitted. If you see it up close, you can see the texture. So this one's so pretty, and again I mixed and matched and got this bottoms. As you can see, it's like stripes of different colors, but it's got very prominent orange on it. So I think these ones go very pretty together, as you can see. And I love kind of like the bohemian style of this one. So this one's definitely one of my favorites. Another one you cannot go wrong with is a plain black top. So this one I got it at Primark last year, and this is your basic, top. It is strings on the top, and on the back you just tie it up, and it's so like classic but pretty at the same time. It's got this little nut on the front, and this one I later found this bottoms that I think they go perfect with it, and they have like stripes in different colors. It's got black, so it goes really well with this, and it's got this little ruffle elastic on either side, and it looks so pretty. But then I also found this pink top that goes perfectly with this one as well. So I usually wear this with pink or black, and this pink top is so pretty. It's another one of my favorites. It looks so feminine. It has this like ruffles on the straps over here, so it's kind of like a little sleeve, and I don't know, I feel like it looks very like mermaid top. I love it, and the color is so pretty, and it's shiny as you can see. So yeah, another one of my favorites. Another set I got recently, I ordered it from Amazon, is this blue one. I didn't have anything blue, so I really wanted something blue to kind of like have every single color on the rainbow, and this one is so cute. It came with this plain blue, but then the bottom is like a print, and it looks kind of like hippie, like a very 70s print, kind of like tie-dye or something like that, and it goes very, very pretty together. But that's not the only thing. It also came with this kind of like net little throw-on shirt that you can put on top of it. This one is see-through and it's like net, but it's the same print as the bottoms, and you can wear it on top of it. You can put some shorts, and it looks so cute, and it's so light and fresh. So yeah, this set was great because it came with 3 items, and I got it from Amazon. Another set I got from Amazon is this one, but this I wouldn't recommend if you wanna tan, because it will leave you with very weird tan lines, since it has a lot of strings or a lot of things that you wrapped around like your whole body basically. So this one's red, so I got it because I love red swimwear, and this one has so many like strings. Like it's got this one's in here, and then it's got this other one that you wrapped around your waist. Like you can see it's like hanging there. You wrap it around your waist, and then this other one, like this is the bottom, so this one comes with 2 over here, and then there's this other one that you wrapped around your waist as well. So as you can see, it's too much going on. It looks absolutely gorgeous. It looks very, very pretty, and especially because of the color, I feel like. But as I said, it's gonna leave you with very awkward tan lines, but it's very cute, and I cannot wait to wear it again. Another set I recently got, and that is not very tan friendly either, is this one, but I absolutely love it. I love the print. I feel like it's so happy and kind of like Hawaiian, and it's this one with green leaves. You can wear it like that, but I personally like it like this. It's so cute, and in the front it's got kind of like this strings, kind of like shoelace style, and it's like see-through, and it's so pretty. And the bottom is the same print, and on the side it's got that shoelace thing going on as well. So I'm very excited to wear this. As you can see, it's brand new. Like this is probably one of the latest ones I bought. I got it at Marshall's, and it's so pretty. Okay, so moving on to one-piece swimwear. I only have 2 of those, but they are equally pretty. The first one is this yellow one, and I love the color because it reminds me of like sunshine and that warmth on your skin from the sun. This is so happy, and it's so cute. It's got like flowers throughout, and on the front it's got this kind of like cutout. So it's very pretty. In the front it's got that cutout detail, and on the back it's just like regular normal. This one you can actually wear it with like high-waisted shorts or jeans, and the top looks so cute, and it looks kind of retro, and it looks so pretty. So I'm excited to wear this one again. And last but not least, I have my favorite one-piece swimsuit, which is this one. It's pink, and it's got that ruffle sleeve situation. You can wear it down or up. It's got the shoelace as well theme in the front, and also on the sides that you can kind of adjust. So this one is actually a size medium, but I got it anyways because I loved it. I love the color and the design and everything, but I have to tie it up very tight on either side so it fits me properly. But it's very cute. You can also wear this one with shorts or jeans, and the top looks just like a top. So it is very pretty, very feminine, and it looks great in pictures as well. So yeah, this is one of my favorites as well. And that is all the swimwear I have. I hope you guys liked it. I'm gonna leave all the links of all the things I can find down below. Some of those are kind of old, like I told you. Some of them are from like last year, but I'm gonna try and find all of them or something similar that you can get right now if you want to. So I really hope you liked this video. If you did, please hit the like button. Also, don't forget to subscribe because you help me a lot, and also you help me by sharing it with all your loved ones. You know that we are all in quarantine or self-isolation, so let me know in the comments below what kind of content would you like to see during this time. I hope you stay inside and stay safe. You know that as always, it was a pleasure for me being here with you today, and I will see you very soon. Bye!